Hello everyone, welcome to Yuanli machinery. Today, I will introduce the operation and cleaning process of our grinding system. Now, what you can see is our export standard grinding system model ACME 2030. This is the blower of grinding system. The noise is under 85 dB. And the next is the dust collector with filters inside. The advantage is maximum filtering and easy cleaning. And this is the additive feeder, which can accurately add some special additives. It is a full automatic weighing system. It can put 5 boxes at the same time. This is a low-noise grinder with pneumatic opening grinder cover. Comply with the ground feeder, which can save a lot of manpower. Above, it is the heat exchanger, which can cool the grinding chamber. And the last is the electrical board of grinding system.